In this Ryco technical video, we will be looking at the most common places to find your cabin filter. Cabin filters can often be overlooked in servicing, and if left, can create a place for mold to grow and dust and pollen to build up, creating an unhealthy environment in your vehicle. You'll find that most cars will have their cabin filter somewhere behind the glove box. Gaining access will generally involve dropping the glove box down and out of the way. Then, there will be a small plastic panel that needs to be removed to access the cabin filter. Ensure you clear any dirt or debris from the location and make sure your cabin filter is fitted with the part number facing you and the right way up like so. Another common location for the cabin air filter is under the dashboard. There is usually an access door in the passenger or driver side footwell that can be opened to reach the filter. To access, remove interior trims and then undo the access door screw. Reach in and remove the old cabin filter. Pay attention to which way the old filter comes out and refit the new Ryco MicroShield cabin filter. From there, reassemble all trims. Next, we've got underneath the engine cowl in the engine bay. This cabin air filter location is fairly common in older European cars. Replacing the filter here generally involves popping the bonnet, removing the sealing strip and removing the scuttle panel. From there, the filter usually sits within a frame that is reused when you refit the new Ryco cabin filter. Also, clear the debris and make sure that the cabin filter is fitted the correct way up. When it comes time to change your cabin filter, remember that the arrow direction of the filter indicates which way up the filter goes. To find the correct cabin air filter for your vehicle, visit www.rycofilters.com.au. Here, you'll also find fitting locations and installation times against each part number.